This Bluetooth speaker is called the Hyper Tough, and this big guy is called a Bassdrax Bluetooth speaker tower or something. You need to check in the store what it's called because I probably forgot the name a little bit. And this is the Echo Dot third generation or sixth generation. I'm not sure. I think it's the third generation. I don't think there's no sixth generation by the way. And this is the MIDI Bluetooth speaker J288. And this is a read it like that. And the back is missing. Front back. Ah! I was trying to find a cover.
Are you recording?
That's not
I'm making
okay. Here's the cover. There you go. Now you know. Now it's time to do the Bluetooth speakers. First, the hybrid top. You start at 50% volume and then 100% volume. All these actually.
Guess less and sell more with the #1 email marketing and automation.
Stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you. So sing along to my stereo.
Class heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody else?
100% volume.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close.
Heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody else? If I asked you to scratch my back, could you manage that? Like if we had chicken travy, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for any skipping tracks. This is the last girl that played me, left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that. Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only find a note to make you understand, I sing it softly in your ear and grab you by the hand. Just keep me stuck in
Reno.
Come on.
Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
Next, the Echo Dot third.
There we go.
That finger looking good.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
Class heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody
so much
else?
bass,
If I
much
asked you
more
to scratch
bass
my
versus
back,
the
could you
Hyper
manage
so
that?
far.
Like if we had chicken travy, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for any skipping tracks. This is the last girl that played me, left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that. Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only find a note to make you understand, I sing it softly in your ear and grab you by the hand. Just keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. And know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
My heart's a stereo.
Next, volume 100.
My heart's a stereo, It beats for you, so
Apologize for any skipping tracks. This is the last girl that played me left. Stereo, the only place for you.
my heart's a stereo. It beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio. Turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you. So sing along to my stereo.
Next, Toasty Wise earbuds. Okay, the wireless earbuds sound 10 times more better than all these Bluetooth speakers. It sounds like 1,000 feet Bluetooth speaker and a dream feet wide Bluetooth speaker. Now let's move on to the next ones. Next, these headphones from Bass Tracks. Let's see it. Okay. There you go. Ah! Hee hee hee! Hee. Okay, let's talk about these Bluetooth speakers. Not playing. Cut. These headphones. Yeah. How you do it? Okay, now, which one sound the best? Definitely these. These Toasters T6s sound the best. Second place, this. Third place, this. Fourth place, actually, fourth place, this. Not this. Maybe, yeah, this one. Fifth place, this. Sixth place, this. And seventh place, this. So this one's the worst one ever. This one gets loudest, but it has the worst bass ever. This one has the worst bass ever. Second. The second worst bass ever is this. Fourth one worst bass ever, this. Fifth worst bass ever, this. Sixth worst bass ever, this. This one is the best one. Definitely these. This one is the best ones. And don't ask me any questions. This one is the best one. This one's 10 times more better. This costs 50. This costs 12. This costs 34. This costs 7. This costs $24. This one costs, well, probably the same price, almost like this. On a show. And yeah. Hope you learn about these Bluetooth speakers. And headphones and wireless earbuds. Hopefully you learn. And hopefully you will soon use shoes and shoes to buy. Goodbye. You should buy this one. You should buy this one and this one. But don't buy this. This. That's what I'm kidding. You buy this. You buy this. You buy this and this. One more not to buy is this, because this is getting too old. Now goodbye. Shoot all these bugs our way. Oh my gosh. My gosh. Sorry, but I had to kill the bugs here. So many cockroaches. Ooh. Oh, who's in the house? No, kill them. Oh my. Oh my. No, my gun broke a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Danger actions in the mix, but it is always wow. Ha ha. Today doing Bluetooth speaker tests. Yes. Oh, shoot my phone. I want to break it. I hate my phone so much. I want to get an iPhone in my birthday. So time me to get an iPhone in my birthday. Oh, sure. Time me to shoot my phone.